I know I come here every day and I never say anything serious or meaningful, but today I really have something that I want to talk about and it's very important. So I just learned that TikTok is going to be deleted in the US on the 19th of January 2024. And a lot of people that support us on the app are United States residents. I'm talking of the majority. I don't know what we are going to do without these people because honestly, they are the ones that make the app worth it. Without their support, we are going to be nowhere. I don't know where I'll be without the people that support me every day on the app. I would have been a nobody. I would have been somewhere, maybe hawking or probably me did I go sell front. I don't know, guys. I'm traumatized. Like it's not even January yet, but I'm already shivering. I can't even talk. I'm stuttering. I can't. I'm shivering. I'm trembling. I don't know. I don't know what I would do. I mean, I can't get a job over here in Nigeria. What kind of job am I going to get when the economy is already suffering from an inflation due to the dollar rates and everything? People who earn in Naira are suffering over here and they are protesting every now and then. So I really don't know what I'm going to do without this app. I really don't know what I'm going to do. And even if to say I want to go to the US, getting a US visa, no, I'll have to use the Mexican borders to enter and it's going to cost me about 21,000 US dollars, and that's a whole lot of money. TikTok, please, I'm begging you people, I beg. I don't know what you people have going on. Please don't take away the app from the United States. Please be cool, me I beg. Uno can't do it, so uno want with your blood clot run mad. Uno want with your dead fi hungry in this. Uno want with your blood clot sell a pussy. Uno try to make the girl them start sell no. Uno want the girl them to start sell them pussy. What uno want with you do? The economy blood clot fuck up. No jobs, no. The only something we are safe with. Uno want to take it away from we. Don't do that, man. Don't do that.